ARUTWO mathukuru-ini ma university maugite nimehaririirie kuhe miario kanya niguo gwetha kihonia kia mathina maria magumiire bururi na maria makoretwo magicungiriria mirurungano. Makiaria na andiki a mohoro, atongoria a arutwo aya maugite hari miario iria mekwambika ni kururu weru kwa mutaratara mweru wa uheani wa ngombo cia mathomo ma iguru, kuona arutwo aingi kwa ihinda riri no guthinika marathinika.
Higher education matters to do with help, high cost of accommodation fees within our institutions, the standards of living and conditions of accommodation structures. These are some of the things that we'll be fronting that have been spearheaded by the University of Nairobi as witnessed before, and we'll be putting them front and we'll be looking for sustainable solutions towards higher education funding, as the new funding model has proved to be difficult and currently it's not working at optimum and it's affecting a lot of comrades, which is totally unacceptable.
Arutwo aya ni mahinyiriirie ati miario iria mekwambika matekwenda mutetio na umwe ukuingirira, makiuga hari mwaka umwe wa mirurungano gutiri kihonia kia undu na umwe monete o tiga njuragano na nguraro.
Our conclave or our dialogue must be non-political, and this message must go directly to the President of the Republic of Kenya. It must be non-political dialogue. It must be a dialogue that is future-oriented for the use of the Republic of Kenya. It must be a dialogue that can solve the unemployment in the Republic of Kenya. It must be a dialogue that can support peace for the prosperity of our country.
Whatever the youths we are going to decide, let it be done that way, as in the strategy of the youth. Let us use our strategies. So we do not expect any politicians to direct us in any way.
Nothing has changed. We die every day on the streets, but then we don't see any actions being taken towards our demands. So that is why I'm saying that with this dialogue is very key, it is very important, and this is an urge to all the youths that we need to accept the urge for dialogue. We sit down, we can only present our issues when we sit down.
Gukiri uguo maugite ni marenda kuona andu aria othe moragirwo na kugurario hindi ya mirurungano makirihwo, guku makiuria ruhonge rwa IPOA kurutithia wira mitaratara iria maniriire marire egie mirurungano.
We did propose that there be a compensation for the victims of extrajudicial killing. Again, the IPOA did promise that they're coming with the resolutions on how the police will be handling the demonstrators. We have seen last time I was at Milimani Law Courts, and there was a prosecution against the police who is allegedly said that he was involved in the murder of Rex Masai. And you see, the evidence is clear that he was a perpetrator, and they are denying.
Gerifotera Kameme TV ni ejitagwo Wagoi wa Muiruri.